Don't download Calm app subscription app before watching this. Before you download Calm, here's what most people overlook. It's not just a sleep app. Calm offers guided meditations, breathing exercises, and relaxation music, but without a plan, it may not improve mental health or sleep. Step 1. Define your goals. Are you aiming to reduce stress, sleep better, or practice mindfulness? Most people get this wrong by opening the app randomly without a routine, limiting its effectiveness. Step 2. Start with short sessions. Use 5 to 10 minutes to build consistency. The surprising truth is, brief daily sessions can improve focus and relaxation more than occasional long sessions. Step 3. Explore all features. Use sleep stories, breathing exercises, and meditation courses. Ignoring any section leaves benefits untapped. Step 4. Track your habits. Record streaks and mood changes to see progress. Users who skip tracking often feel no improvement. Step 5. Integrate into daily routines. Try morning, midday, or evening practices for lasting impact. Consistency amplifies results. The upside? With proper use, Calm reduces anxiety, improves sleep quality, and enhances mindfulness. Regular users report better stress management and overall well-being. So should you download it? Yes, but only if you commit to short, consistent sessions, explore all features, track habits, and integrate it into daily life. Random use delivers minimal benefits. Subscribe for tips on mastering mental wellness with meditation apps.